Hello, everyone. I'm back today, and today I'm gonna do something different today. I just want to show y'all my craft room. I started this about a month ago, and I'm still getting my craft room set up. So if y'all got some comments, some ideas that I can change it out different, let me know. I just didn't want it to be boring, so I got a lot of colors in here. So if I'm gonna show y'all around in my craft room. Okay. So I'm gonna start out with my background setup. I had found this old bookshelf and I decided to use because I like all the different colors and I can put a lot of things inside of these little boxes. And I also want to show y'all these are some of the bags that I made. I love to make blue jean bags and they old. I made those probably about 3 years ago, and I never put it on YouTube. And this is a hat I made. My sister and I made that for Black History. I thought that was pretty cool. And then I got a lot of wine bottles, old bottles that I found. And this is just some of the glassware, some more bottles that I did. I thought that was cool. And I have my brushes and I have some things, other things I've made. And I decided to put my little brushes there and all my little jewelry. And this is my corner shelf here. And I got all my little paints that I use and different things that I have did. And if y'all see something that I need to improve or need to do, let me know because I'm just not starting this, y'all. I worked in the medical field for almost 30 years plus, and so now this is just something I'm doing after retirement. And so this also is my sewing room, and that's my little Nana cup that my grandbaby gave me for Mother's Day. And I love my sign that says hope because there's always hope. And this is just my little studio. And I want to show y'all, I don't have my tripod yet, so I'm ordering one. So my books is my tripod. And also, this is slash craft room slash studio. And this is my keyboard. I love to play my keyboard and it gives me a lot of inspiration. So I plays that a lot. And this is my old TV, y'all. I don't know how old this TV is. It only plays DVDs. I have a lot of movies there that I watch this while I'm doing my project. And also, slash dressing room. This is my dressing room also. My purse, I love handbags, y'all. That's my passions, handbags. I love handbags. I don't know how many I have. And this is my dressing table and slash whatever I want it to be. And this is my desk that I'm usually doing my craft at. And I'm working on something now, and I don't know what I'm going to do with these things, but I'm going to do something later on with this things that I got from the Dollar Tree. So I'm going to come up with that video pretty soon. And I think I showed y'all my sewing machine. This is my sewing machine. I love sewing too. And I think I picked this up at Walmart. So it's a little cheap one, but it does what I want to do. So I have been making, I think I did a video on masks, and I got my little tray over here with my masks in that I'm doing also. So I'm just trying to do a little bit of everything. I have so many ideas, and y'all just be patient with me. Like I said, I'm just not beginning to bring all of this out, and because I have so many projects that I want to do, and I can't do them all at one time. Okay, so I hope y'all enjoyed the little sneak peek view of my craft slash dress room slash music room. And I'm gonna do something with this. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet, but I'm gonna do something with all of this that I've gotten. And just tune in for my next one. It'll be this week. Okay, bye bye. Have a blessed day.